Today, freezing rain, cold, wet, soggy, bone-chilling, freezing rain. I think I got a problem with that. You know, I got so traumatized a couple of weekends ago because I got caught in the freezing rain. So I got these socks from Showers Pass. They're waterproof, and they even say waterproof. So they better be waterproof. I wanted to try out these new Fizik Artica X5 rain boots because I'm sick of overshoes. Just a pain in the ass. If I can just slip these on, could be a game changer. Save time too. And I got these Rapha all winter tights, bib tights. They're fleecy inside and they're somewhat water resistant on the outside. I'm hoping. Daniel Chaganoff from Bicycling Magazine, he recommended these waterproofing gloves. They're all neoprene on the outside, and they're fleecy on the inside. They're made by Glacier Glove. They were about 30 bucks, and these shoes about 100 bucks. I'm wearing the Rapha Core rain jacket, and I got this for only like I think 70 or 80 bucks. What's up, guys? It's wet. Crappy conditions. I guess as long as you're dressed for it, this is kind of fun. Alright, 40 minutes in, and my feet are very warm. They feel dry. The Rapha raincoat is doing a great job. It's doing a perfect job, actually, of keeping my back warm, and my arms warm and dry. My hands are getting cold, but my hands always get cold. But I think they're dry. They're just cold. You're not done with the ride yet, but yeah, so far so good. The neoprene gloves are keeping my hands warm, and so far so good. But I gotta take a break from that rain, man. It's too harsh. Actually, the only part that's cold is my ass, but otherwise feeling good. Those two espresso shots really hit the spot. It's like warmed me up real good. And my hands aren't feeling so cold anymore either. I don't know if it's because, you know, I kind of took a break to go to the cafe and warm up, or if it's because I've been riding for a while. I don't know, but my hands are feeling pretty good now, and it's 32 degrees. Temperature is freezing. It's moderate to heavy rain. Woo. Lots of flooded waters. My feet are feeling great. They're feeling dry. Most importantly, they're not feeling numb, which is great. They don't hurt. So my feet don't hurt. My hands don't hurt. That's good. My Rapha rain jacket is doing a great job of keeping me warm and dry. You know, the material actually is what they call waterproof nylon. What's important is you keep your core warm and dry, so your body can give blood to your hands and feet. Holy cow! What happened here? It's like a bridge, and I think a car hit the railing. God, I hope they didn't fall in there. I'm glad I'm on a bike. Whew. So far, hands dry, body dry, legs dry, feet are getting wet. I think it's because water got into the ankle, but from what I've read from other reviews, they're great for cold weather. They're great for cold, dry weather, but they say that water might get into the boot if it's like a real if it's a real torrential rainstorm, or if you're going through a lot of flooded deep water areas. So, which I have been. I've been going through about, I don't know, like 3-4 inches of rain. But the bottom line is my feet are actually not freezing cold. They just feel damp, not uncomfortable, just icky. Is that a good description? Like, they feel icky damp, but I don't care. As long as my feet don't hurt, they can be damp all they want. I think the bigger one looks like Nugget.
It's not eating time yet.